In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find where to update Microsoft Edge. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. This is the web browser you will be working with. Look for its icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. It resembles a blue and green wave. Once you locate it, double-click the icon to launch the browser. You will see the familiar Edge interface appear on your screen. It might take a moment to load if you have many tabs open. Opening Microsoft Edge is crucial because it's the first step in ensuring you have the latest security features and performance improvements. Next, we will click the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the window. This menu is also known as the Settings menu. It looks like three horizontal dots stacked on top of each other. Clicking on this menu reveals a drop-down list of options. You will see various settings that help you customize your browsing experience. This step matters because it gives you access to all the important features within Edge, including updates which are essential for a smooth browsing experience. Now look for and select the option labeled Help and Feedback in the drop-down menu. This will direct you to resources that can assist you with using Microsoft Edge effectively. Once you click on it, a new submenu will appear. This submenu includes options like Help, About Microsoft Edge, and other helpful features. Selecting Help and Feedback is important because it guides you to the area where you can find information about updates and other support options. From there, click on About Microsoft Edge. This option is usually located at the bottom of the Help and Feedback submenu. When you select it, the About page will open in your browser. Here you can find detailed information about your current version of Microsoft Edge. The About section is significant because it not only shows the version number but also initiates the update process. It's reassuring to know that you can quickly check your version and ensure your browser is up to date. At this point, Edge will automatically check for updates and install them if any are available. You may see a progress bar indicating that the browser is scanning for updates. This process can take a few moments depending on your internet connection. It's crucial to allow Edge to complete this step because updates often include vital security patches and feature enhancements. Once the updates are installed, you can browse with confidence knowing you have the latest tools at your disposal. Finally, when prompted, click Restart. This button typically appears once the update process is complete. You might see a message indicating that the browser needs to restart to apply the updates. Clicking Restart ensures that all changes are fully integrated into your browser. It is a simple yet essential step to finalize the update process. You will see your Edge browser close briefly and then reopen, ready for you to use. With all these steps completed, you have successfully updated Microsoft Edge. Keeping your browser up to date is vital for security and performance. Now you can enjoy a smoother browsing experience with the latest features. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!